I survived the overwhelming feeling of wanting to lose belly fat but not knowing where to start. My journey began with frustration, but through persistence, I spent weeks building the perfect routine to target belly fat. And I saved so much time by structuring my workouts around simple, effective exercises. The morning routine started with planks, crunches, and leg raises. These exercises built my core strength and activated the stubborn belly fat. In the evenings, I added a combination of high-intensity interval training, height and mountain climbers, which kept my metabolism high even while I slept. At first, it was tough. I faced daily challenges, from soreness to lack of motivation, but each day, I noticed progress. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. I got to the point where my energy levels improved and my mental clarity was sharper. Not only did my waistline shrink, but my health dramatically transformed. Consistency was the key. Tracking progress helped me stay on course, and seeing those results kept me pushing forward. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now, link in the description. Here's my tip: set achievable goals, track your workouts, and celebrate the small victories. Don't be afraid to adjust your routine, as needed progress isn't linear, but it's worth it. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. With these exercises and routines, I built the foundation for a healthier, fitter body, and you can too. Start today and let the transformation begin.